Creo Parametric is a CAD program which is extremely useful for producing a range of pictorial drawings digitally. The software is commonly used by engineers and designers throughout the design of a variety of products. We can use the software not only to produce three-dimensional digital models, but also to create product simulations, rendered images, and working drawings. In the following modules, we will be covering some of the fundamentals of the software, from creating a basic model to generating working drawings in accordance to AS 1100. To begin, once you've opened Creo Parametric, click on New, select Part, name your part accordingly, ensure the default template is selected, and click OK to start. Creo Parametric operates on a XYZ axis, which are named the front, right, and top datum planes. To move around the axes, hold the center wheel of the mouse or click on the Save View drop-down menu and select the face you wish to view. Before we begin, we need to check that our units of measure have been set correctly. By default, Creo sets its dimensions to inches. To do this, select Menu, Prepare, Model Properties, and change the unit of measure to millimeter Newton seconds. To create a cube, we will be using the Extrude tool. Select the Extrude tool and a desired view. Hover the cursor over the edge of the chosen datum plane and left-click to extrude on this plane. Your next step in creating a cube is to select the rectangle drop-down box in the command menu. Select the center rectangle option and drag the cursor to the construction lines running along the X and Y axis. As you can see, the cursor automatically locks to the axes. Drag the cursor to the center of the X and Y axes and left-click to start drawing a square. Drag out a square of any size and click the center wheel of the mouse to finish the action. The next step is to select the Select tool in the Operations menu. Double-click on each of the dimensions and type in the dimensions specified in the activity. After changing each of the dimensions, remember to hit the center wheel of the mouse. Click OK or the green arrow in the top right-hand side of the screen to finish the extrusion. The final step in creating the cube is to define the depth of the extrusion. We can change the direction of the extrusion and its depth by clicking on the arrow and dragging the small white box. Alternatively, these actions can be completed in the above command bar. Clicking the highlighted directional box changes the direction of the extrusion. And finally, to change the depth of the extrusion, type the depth of the cube into the highlighted text box followed by Enter. Click the green tick to finalize the extrusion.